on behalf of Exclusively, what we do is we put the customer first. And as a fashion branded marketplace, we work with people who are making a difference in the space of fashion, thereby ensuring that you are delivering the best in fashion, as well as quality material is reaching out to the consumers. To that extent, it's buy invite only platform. So it's not that anyone and everyone can list and sell. We are curating at the back end what is best in fashion, what is fashion forward, what is it that consumer expects. And in the entire journey, we help them taking that buying decisions very, very carefully. So it's when they are doing the shopping, the whole experience is personalized, and hence even our customer service is extremely personalized in terms of if there is any look and feel that they're wanting to get into. So we do recommend even to our consumers. Now, if I reflect back and see how we can help improve the supply chain, and not take too long. If we need to help and improve the supply chain, is we are able to create patterns or trends which are spanning across multiple brands. What is it that consumers are shopping? There's a very good phenomena, especially very well adopted in electronics, which is pre-launches. People are doing bookings rather than retailer booking or distributor booking. People are doing consumer bookings. So there's a huge lot of buying process that is happening,
Yeah.
which can make the entire supply chain very efficient. There are dipsticks, which you can do, or you can do pre-launches. You can even invite consumers who are shopping with your brand, what to expect next season. So all these things are going to shape up the efficiency model
Wonderful.
in the future. So I think it's moving from seasons to occasion. Okay, and I think that's really the trend. It's moving from seasons to occasions. Whether it is winter, you can classify it as a season. You can also classify it as an occasion. You can classify beach as a season or an occasion, which is holiday. And I think it's moving towards occasion, and we can see it so distinctly as patterns emerging. So people are buying for more occasions, whether it's Diwali. So people are dressing up for a particular occasion, whether it's wedding as a season or wedding as an occasion. So there's a lot of sales which people are buying for an occasion. Getting into college, back to school. So it's an occasion. You may not classify it as a season.
Let
So I
me
think
ask.
that's how the wardrobe is evolving.